Okay, here you go. All right, so last time we did radicals with just variables. So today what we're adding is the numbers, okay? So what you always want to make sure you do first is on your factor tree, split your number and your letter. Oh, Mayday, we have a problem. I can't see. Oh, did I get it right? Yes. Okay, you're going to split your number and your letter first, okay? Okay, so you're always going to split your number and your letter first. Then we can do like what we did last time. So I want 3 of anything to make a pair. Okay, and I have 2 N's, so that one doesn't have a pair, or a group, I should say. You with me? Okay, if you weren't here last time, do your best. There are videos, but we went through this really slow last time, and I have to move a little faster today because it's a Wednesday, okay? Now, tell me a number that's going to go into 16. 8 does. 8 times what? Good. Let's pause here. Can someone raise their hand and remind me what a prime number is? What's a prime number? Can someone raise their hand and tell me what a prime number is? Mia? Good. A number that can only be divided by itself in 1. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, right? So the idea in this is you want to keep going till all your bottom branch is prime. So 2 is prime, that branch is done. Is 8 prime? No. So tell me something 8 will go into. 4 and 2, good. 2 and 2. Now, there's a lot going on, so one thing I like you guys to do at first is I like to just get rid of anything that's not the bottom branch so that I have them out of my view, okay? So this is how many I want to make a group. Now, I didn't have enough N's, but do I have enough 2's? Yeah. So this right here represents my group of 2's. But I only want 3 to group together. Remember last time you only group how many together that it wants, and then the rest is your leftovers. Okay? So here's my group, and here is my leftovers. So the groups cancel, and I'm left with that. Okay, let's try another one. So the new piece from last time to this time is to always split your number and your letter first. Anybody remember the 5's trick? If it ends in 5, what do I know I should start with? 7? If a big number ends in 5, what should I start with? Should I start with 7? 5. You start with 5. That's like a trick for factors. If it ends in 5, no matter how big the number is, I know 5 goes into it, okay? So my brain is too tired today, and you guys have calculators, right? Because I've been hounding you for months. So tell me what 5 times what. Very good. Sipa, will you come here? Okay, are both of those branches prime? No. So 5 is, so I need to break 125 smaller. Sipa, will you come here? Will you put my lunch in the fridge and grab me a blue Mountain Dew if there is one? If not, I'll take the red one. Am I done? I still have 5 and 5. And again, I like to get rid of all the ones that aren't the bottom branch so I don't get confused. How many branches of m am I going to have? Good, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I want groups of 3. So to make a group, I want groups of 3. Okay, so there's that group of m's. Thank you. Oh, dang it. I clicked on the wrong one. I have to guess because my small screen protector is covering the menu. Okay, there's that group of m's. And then there's that group of 5s. And then I have my one lonely leftover 5. Cancels, 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 because they're inverse operations and their numbers are the same. So I have m times 5, cube root of 5. And then I just make it look a little nicer. Don't we normally like to put the number in the front? My goal is today, since we spent all last class working through these slowly, my hope is that today you'll get to the point where after you make your factor tree, you can jump straight to this step and you don't need to write this interim middle step each time. That would be awesome. Do you guys ready to try one on your own with numbers, or do you want me to do one more example? One more example? Okay. 3, my last class had a hard time with because the number 192 was gigantic. So let's go to one with a smaller amount. Let's do 4. Okay, so first you split your number and your letter. And we can do last time stuff first. We want 8 branches of A. 7, 8. That's what we did last time, right? A to the 8th means that there's 8 A's being multiplied. How many do I want to group together at a time? Is it still 3? Yeah, on this example it is. So there's a group. And there's a group. Okay, now let's deal with our 64. 8 times 8. 4 times 2. And then 2 times 2. When there's a lot going on, I think it's a good idea to get rid of everything that isn't the bottom branch. Group together your 2's. Mariana, the work is a white packet on the counter as you come in. Okay. So then the cube root of 2 cubed, that is that first group. Cube root of 2 cubed, that's the second group. I also have 2 groups of A's. And my leftovers. I'm going to walk around, but I want you to try 5 and 6. And I'll walk around and make sure we're doing all right. What the heck?